That's Jim O'Rear's Wacky World.
If you've ever wondered what would happen if a Hallmark Christmas movie and a small town PTA fundraiser and a very ambitious extension cord budget all collided, well, welcome to Christmas Lane in Plant City, Florida.
This is not your flashy, corporate, Disney just charged me for oxygen holiday experience. No. Christmas Lane is proudly, unapologetically old school Florida Christmas. It's been around since 1984, which means it predates the internet, modern patience, and probably half the people waiting in line to see Santa. What started as Lane Wetherington decorating his yard grew so large that it eventually said, "Yeah, this isn't fitting into Dover anymore," and moved to the Florida Strawberry Festival grounds. Because when something becomes too powerful for a residential neighborhood, the only logical next step is fairgrounds. Now, let's talk numbers, because Christmas Lane is not messing around. We're talking over 1.5 million lights, more than 200 Christmas trees, and some of those trees are 40 to 50 feet tall, which is roughly the height of a Florida cell phone tower, or one aggressive palm tree. All of it built by volunteers who clearly said, sleep is optional in December. The attraction is both outdoor and indoor, which is perfect because you can freeze outside in Florida's version of winter, also known as light jacket weather, and then go inside to recover emotionally. Outdoors, you've got massive displays, light tunnels, and a giant central tree in front of the event that you can actually go inside of and experience viewing a tree from a place usually only cats get to see it from. Inside the main building, there are photo ops, characters, and enough Christmas cheer to make you forget you're standing where monster trucks usually live. And then there's the kids zone, which is basically chaos wrapped in glitter. Kids can get their faces painted, write and mail letters to Santa, and color ornaments for the Lincoln Elementary Magnet School wishing tree. It's wholesome, adorable, and suspiciously effective at keeping children distracted while parents search for Coco. And speaking of Santa, yes, Santa and Mrs. Claus are here indoors for photos. The line can get long, especially closer to Christmas, because nothing says holiday magic like waiting 45 minutes for a 7-second photo while your kid suddenly decides they're terrified of Santa. You'll also see roaming characters like Frosty and Rudolph just wandering around. There's also a great light maze, which, if you've seen The Shining, can sound terrifying. A Christmas winter wonderland maze? Will Jack Torrance be there with an axe? But it's absolutely not anything like that. You're looking for Rudolph. And don't worry about getting lost, because in the maze, you can always see the exit. There's carnival-style rides for kids, or adults who think they're kids. Grab a wristband for unlimited rides and adventure. Did we slide? Did we get lost inside a mirror maze and slide again? Did we get a glimpse of the event from the sky? Did we smash into each other repeatedly?
No rules, just flare like a funhouse mirror with chest hair. Click like crime and...
Maybe we did. There's live entertainment on select nights, and fair-style snacks and hot cocoa, because sugar is a food group in December. And come on, is it really Christmas without cookies? I don't think so. And here's the thing. Christmas Lane doesn't try to be flashy or cutting edge. It leans hard into that small town family Christmas vibe, and honestly, that's the charm. It's sincere, it's nostalgic, and it feels like the kind of Christmas you remember, whether it actually happened that way or not. This is a beautiful event with something for the entire family. So head over to christmaslane.com for more info on dates, times, tickets, and all the other necessary details. If you're in the Central Florida area, you deserve to treat yourself to this.
That's a peek at Christmas Lane in Plant City, Florida. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for glimpses into other things happening in Jim O'Rear's wacky world, and leave a comment below telling me what you think about this event. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
But Denny's just sipping tea. You roast your grandma for stealing a sign. Then hug a ghost dog, it's rescue time. His news is odd, his facts are thin. But who needs truth when the jokes all win? You'll take a tricky mugshot with pride while dressed as a Mando on the dark side ride. Be wordless, non-stop is on. And your toy shelf, good lunch in a bar.